Hey, good morning. Jeff Roper in here with my friend Bella. It's National Hug Your Cat Day today, and appreciate our viewers sending in their feline photos. You can hit me up, jeff.roper at localnews8.com. We always love interacting with you and sharing the good things in our world, all right? And thank you for that photo of Bella. Here's how it looks in Rexburg right now. It's overcast, but the clouds, they're beginning to part. You can see some blue sky in there. It's 60 degrees and a little bit of a breeze. That'll be the story for us today. As sun begins to pop out this afternoon, the breezes will pick up southwesterly 15 to 25 miles an hour. A lake wind advisory for the American Falls Reservoir. Gust of 30 plus miles an hour a possibility. And any kind of thunderstorms that may show up scattered around the area, obviously you can expect gusty winds with those as well. Bring out the sunglasses. It'll be mild to start with here. We get into the afternoon, you'll see a smattering of clouds and some renegade showers, especially as we get into the late night tomorrow night. And then we get into Saturday and look at things they go straight downhill. This is just not a good setup for us. We've got a couple of systems that are just going to back into each other and settle right over the gym state. Look at these straight line winds on Saturday. In the morning hours, we're talking 30 plus mile an hour winds. So I'll show you the Vipercast wind cutout here. This is what we're talking about this afternoon, 4 o'clock, 19, 20, 21 mile an hour winds. It'll be 16 miles an hour in Blackfoot at about 4 o'clock this afternoon as you wrap up the day. 15 mile an hour winds in Jackson. Things calm down tonight. We get into tomorrow and even more of the same. Into the afternoon hours, 20 mile an hour winds. These are straight winds. These are not gusts. And obviously gustier around thunderstorms. Saturday morning, there's a 26 mile an hour progression we're talking about, and that's at 9 o'clock on Saturday morning. The highs today will be in the 70s and 80s, 77 for both Lava and Soda. It'll be 81 in McCammon, 85 in Malad and Preston, and 79 degrees in Afton. Old Faithful will see a mild 65 today. We'll take it to 74 in Yellowstone and 71 in the other park. Driggs and Jackson in the 70s today and upper 70s, close to 80 for the Tri-Cities of DuBois, St. Anthony, and Rexburg. The central Idaho Mountains, 76 in Mackey, 76 in Arco, and closer to 80 in Chalice. And Salmon will be a pair of 7s today. Right around 80 for most everybody else. Blackfoot, 80, 82 in Aberdeen, and 77 American Falls with some breezes off of the lake, and 81 in Pocatello. Again, 70, I'm sorry, in the 70s in American Falls, but we're talking about lake wind advisory at noon today until about 8 o'clock tonight. The extended forecast has you at 80 degrees at Idaho Falls today. It'll be mostly sunny, breezy, just a slight chance of a wimpy shower pushing across the area. 88 and partly cloudy for tomorrow. This is, what is that, 18 degrees or so above normal for this time of the year. Average temperature is more in line with Saturday's high, but that's because we're cooling off. This warm air is going to get doused. 80% chance of showers and storms. We're going to keep that in play for Sunday, and look at the difference in temperature. 73, so really chilly on Sunday afternoon. 39 degrees for Monday morning. We're keeping that cold air and that moisture in play for Monday, and only 53 degrees. It'll be back into the 60s, closer to 70 by Wednesday. So it's going to take a few days for us to rebound here from this windy, warm weather we're having today and tomorrow. 81 to 90 for Pocatello today. 80% chance of storms on Saturday and a 70% chance on Sunday, with temperatures dropping and flip-flopping almost. 74 to 57, 54 degrees, and a half chance of showers for Monday in Pocatello. Blackfoot, 80 to 88. Nothing but sunshine and warm, breezy. Boom, Saturday. All this stuff begins to move in late Friday, by the way. So you're going to wake up to it on Saturday morning with scattered storms around, and we'll keep it in there for Sunday. But the temperatures just drop. It's just, I can't, this is the worst weather ever to me. You can talk about snow, but I think a cold rain is just miserable. So what's your comfort food? Get ready. Make sure you have grilled cheese, sandwiches, and tomato soup in the house. Thursday and Friday, 79 to 86, and then we bring in storm chances for Rexburg, and down to 58 degrees for the back end of the weekend. Salmon, 78, flip it to 87 tomorrow, and then, the bottom just falls out here. And we're going to keep it in the 50s and 60s all the way into early Tuesday when things get to 61 in the afternoon. Here's Jackson with a 20% chance of an off shower and 83 by tomorrow after 77 today, only 68 on Saturday, 52 and close to freezing here. So this may be even a mixture of rain and some snowflakes with only 43 degrees on Monday afternoon. It'll be freezing on Tuesday morning.